Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see class 9-10 areas related to circles. This is very important topic. So we are going to see 25 MCQ today. Okay, one by one we will see slowly. I will give clear explanation for this all the sums. Just listen carefully what I am telling. Now we'll go for the first video. The diameter of a two circle with the center A and B are 16 and 30. Means we have a two circle. So A circle, just I'm writing here, A circle radius they have given, so I'm taking this R1 16 centimeter like that. B circle radius they have given, they mentioned here 30 centimeter. Okay, if area of a circle with center C, we have another one circle, okay, that is circle C. This is radius they not mentioned, so that I'm taking R. We don't know what is that, right? Is equal to, so area of the circle, they said circle C, area of circle C, which is equal to what they said, sum of circle 1. So area of C1 and C2, this together we have to add. Okay, so this is the given condition they have set. Right, now we'll go for next line. Then the circumference of the circle with the center C. So this circle is there na. For this circumference they are asking circumference formula. So the formulas is very important here. So 2 pi r. So we must need a r value. So from this given condition, we will go for finding R value. Then you will understand all the things. So area of circle C, pi caps R square. I have taken caps R square for C circle. For circle 1, circle 2, I have taken R1 and R2. So pi R1 square, pi R2 square. That's it. If you take pi is commonly outside, then we are getting R1 square plus R2 square. And here we have pi R square. So pi will be cancelled. The remaining I have R square, which is equal to R1 value 16 square, R2 value 30 square. That's it. 16 square value we know 256. 30 square, that is 9 square. 3 square value 9. 0 square now 2 times it will come. If you add this together, we are getting 1156. This is R square. So R value is required now square root of 1156. Which is equal to, we are getting 34. We got R value. But they asked to find circumference. Okay, circumference only they asked. So we know that formula 2 pi R. Because they asked center C. C circle. Based on center C circle only they asked. So we have 2 pi R value is 34. That's it. Multiple this together. So what we are getting 68 pi. That's it. Now we'll see the option in the textbook what we have. See here, option C is our required answer. That's it. 68 pi centimeter is option C. That's it. Now we'll go for next question. Question number 2. If the radius of circle is doubled, so we have one circle, radius R. First I'm taking. They said radius of the, radius of circle is doubled. So after double, so what you will get? Doubled in the sense, so we are getting 2R. After doubled the radius, we are getting the radius 2R. Previously R, after doubled we are getting 2R. That is the concept. Its area becomes what? So area after double. Generally we know pi R square is the area of a circle. So after doubled R value instead of R we need to use 2R. That's it. No can square. So what I am getting, pi into 4R square means 4 pi R square. So what we are getting, 4 times of area. So 4 times where we have option B. Option B this is. Okay. Question number 3, they said if the sum of circumference of two circles with radii R1 and R2. So circumference formula we know 2 pi R, but R1 they said R2. So just we are adding. Why we are adding? They said clearly sum. Sum in the sense we need to add. is equal to, they said is equal to circumference of the circle with radius r. So 2 pi caps letter r. Then which will satisfy here. So what is possible to cancel? You can cancel 2 pi, I'm taking commonly here. Then r1 plus r2 which is equal to 2 pi r we are getting. So 2 pi will be cancelled automatically. Remaining I have r1 plus r2 which is equal to r. So where we have this? In option A. That's it. If circumference of circle is 44, so we have a circle. So I'm dividing circle. What is that? Circumference 2 pi r which is equal to 44, and the sum of two sides of square. Square in the sense generally will take like that. Suppose you are taking x, all the sides are equal. Sum of two sides na 2x which is equal to 22. Then x equal to we are getting 11 centimeter. Okay. Right. Here just find the value of r. So 2 into 22 divide 7 pi value r which is equal to 44. And here the value is cancelled. 1 time 22 time. 222 we will get 44. This 2 will be cancelled. Then we are getting the radius which is equal to 7. This the denominator 7 goes to opposite. You will get radius 7, x value 11. Right. What they as to area of circle and area of square. So which is greater they asking, or smaller or equal likewise. So find area of circle. So area we know pi r square. So what is that? Just we'll go for pi. R value na 7. Okay. Square is there. So 49 pi we are getting. Right. And here for square in the sense area is side is square. Side we know 11. So 11 square is equal to 121. But here we have pi value na. So pi we can substitute 49 into pi 22 by 7. 7 into this is 7 times 22 into 7 we know what is that. You will get 154. So which is greater? Yeah, circle is greater compared to square. So where we have option, this is option, yeah, B. B is our required answer. That's it. Okay. So like that you have to go slowly. That is very, very important. Question number 5. A steel wire when bent in the form of a square enclosed an area of 121 centimeter square. So we have one steel wire na. The area have given square area. Okay. Square area they have given 121 centimeter square. If you bend the wire na, we are getting like a square shape. The area is given. If the same wire is bent in the form of circle. So indirectly what they are telling, perimeter of square which is equal to perimeter of a circle means circumference. Okay, both are the same. Okay, so here if we find the perimeter, it is equal to this. Then the circumference of the circle. So both are same only. If you find the circumference of the square, perimeter of the square, same thing applicable for a circle. That's it. Now we'll go for this. So perimeter in the sense circumference I told you. Right. Now we'll go for this. First area is given. So area in the sense area of square we know side is square. So 121. So then A equal to you will get 11. That's it. Side we got 11. So perimeter of square na, that is 4 into A which is equal to circumference of a circle. So 4 into A na, 4 into 11 which is equal to 44. So 44 centimeter is our required answer, circumference of a circle. So where we have here option B. That's it. So this is our required answer. Question number 6. The area of the circle. Area of circle we need to find that can be inscribed in a square of side 9 centimeter. So the circle is inscribed. They said inscribed in a square. So first you can draw one square. So inside we have a one circle. That is they telling inscribed like that. Okay, this touching. So they said side of the square is 9 centimeter. So here 9, all the things are 9. So if you draw the diameter of the circle also 9 because this is side of this. Okay. So diameter of circle, we are getting 9 centimeter. then r is equal to 9 by 2 centimeter. They asked to find area of circle. It's very easy to go. We know that is pi r square. So all the value we have in pi, then no need to substitute pi. So pi you can keep it with you. So r square na 9 by 2 into 9 by 2. We have a square, so that I am writing 2 times. Now pi into 9 nines are 81, 2 twos are 4. So what we are getting here is not there, but decimal value is there. Not just we will divide this 81 divide 4 na 20, in the sense we are getting 80, remaining 1 give 0.0. 2 times 8 we are getting 225. So we are getting 20.25. Finally we are getting 20.25 pi is our required. So where is that? Option B. That's it. So you have to understand the question clearly what they are telling, then it's very easy. Okay, right. We'll go to the question number 7. The area of square that can be inscribed in a circle. Now the opposite of question number 6, we have one circle, inside square is there. That is the things. Okay, inside we have a square. Square in the sense we know all the side will be equal. Suppose I am taking x na x like that. But with the radius is given 8. So radius na the center point. So like if we join, this is 8. If we join the next, suppose this is O, I am taking na from here to the next point also 8. Suppose A, B, C, D is a square. The OA length, OC length will be equal, and this is will make 90 degree because they said this is as a square, right? Now we will find the x in the sense side of the square. Then only we will go for finding area of square. Okay, right? Better we can use the Pythagoras theorem. 8 plus 8 16 we know. So square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. That is Pythagoras theorem. So I am getting x square plus x square. Means this is 256, which is equal to 2x square. If we cancel this, what we are getting? This is 1 time. Here 1, 2 time. What is the 8? So x square equal to 128. X square is equal to 128. So x square in the sense what? This is side square. Side square only the formula of area of square. So area of square which is equal to 128. Option B. That's it. So if you understand the question, then we will go for in simple manner. Mathematics always read the question, understand the question, then apply the answer. Definitely you will get the answer. Okay. Question number 8. Area of quadrant of circle of a circumference is 22. So circumference is given. They asked to find the area of quadrant. Circumference in the sense we know 2 pi r, which is equal to 22 centimeter. From this pi value 22 by 7, r which is equal to 22 centimeter. Here this 22 will be cancelled. Then remaining we have r is equal to, the 7 goes to opposite, it will multiple with 1. So 7. The multiples 2 goes to opposite, it will be divided. So 7 by 2 is the radius. Okay. But they asked the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant in the sense quarter of the circle. So circle formula, area of circle, divide 4. Divide, because quadrant in the sense quarter of the circle, so we are dividing by 4. That's it. So pi value, 1 by 4 I am taking separately. Pi value is 22 by 7 and r value we have 7 by 2. 7 by 2 in the sense 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, because we have a square, so that we are writing 2 times. Now the 7 will be cancelled, and here 122, 1 2s are 11 2s are. That's it. So remaining we have to divide. See this 11 into 7, 77. 2 is here, 4. So 4 2s are 8. That's it. If you divide this, you will get it. Here we have 9 and remaining 5 0 in the sense 6 times 2 0 again 2 4 0, yeah, 5 times accurately. Yes, and now this is our required one. Now where we have this answer? Yeah, here C, option C, 9.625 is our required one. So here also you have to understand the question what they asked, then we'll go in simple manner. Okay, we'll go for next question. The diameter of circle whose area is equal to. So diameter of circle we have to find it. Okay, area is equal to, area is given, area of the circle we know very well, that is pi r square is equal to sum of the areas of two circle. So sum of areas of two circles na circle 1 and circle 2, like that I'm taking. Okay, area of the main circle which is equal to, they said, sum of the area of two circle, and radius is given. Suppose this is I'm taking r1, this is I'm taking r2. Okay, so we have to find diameter in r. That's it. It's very easy. Now take pi commonly outside, then it will be cancelled. So pi I'm taking, r1 value we know is 24, so 24 square plus r2 value we know 7, so 7 square. Pi will be cancelled. Okay, now first our aim to find r, then we'll go for a diameter. So 24 square we know is 576, and this is 49. If we add this together, we are getting 625. We know very well square root of the 6. What is that? 625 is 25. They asked to find diameter, so 2 we need to multiply on both sides, then we are getting 50 centimeter. That's it. So they asked to find diameter here, 50. Option C. Option C is our required answer. So I hope you'll understand question number 9. If you need it, please take notes. That's it. Question number 10. The diameter of wheel is 2.5. Wheel in the sense, generally it is a circle. Okay, circle only. It is meaning is circle. So diameter of the circle is given 2.8 meter. Next, how far it will travel in 1000 revolution. 1000 revolution na the circle, the wheel will rotate 1000 times. Then how long it will be traveled? Likewise they asking. Okay, so we have wheel in the shape of like a circle na. The diameter they have given 2.8 meter. So this is a big wheel. Okay, big size. So the circumference if you find na, this is 1 times of it traveled 1. If you multiply that 1000, you will get the required. That's it. So I'm going to find 2 pi r which is equal to what is that? See, the 2 into r only we know is 2.8 into r. Sorry, what is the pi? Pi value 22 divided 7. Directly I'm using this. Now you can cancel. Okay, 1 7s are, how many 7s are 28 now? 4 times, but we have here decimal, so that I'm giving 0.4. So 22 into 4, what is that? 8.8. you will get it, because we have a decimal, so 8.8 centimeter. This is one time revolution, but they asked 1000 times. 1000 times na, just multiply it into 1000. That's it. So I'm doing 1000 means what? 88,000. But after one digit we need to give point na, so that this 0 will be go. So remaining, this is our required one, means 88,000 where we have, and this is. So 1000, after 1000 time revolution it's traveled 8,800 meter. That's it. Means what is that? 8 kilometer 800 meter, like that it is meaning. Okay. Question number 11. The perimeter of the sector with the radius. So radius is given, radius which is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Angle is given, that is theta is equal to 60 degree. They asked to find perimeter of the sector. Perimeter of the sector or length of the arc, both are same. So length of arc formula means perimeter. Okay, whatever they said, but perimeter. Okay, sorry. Perimeter of the sector which is equal to, the formula is very important, theta divided 360 into what is that? Perimeter. So 2 pi r. If they asked area, here you will get pi r square. Perimeter in the sense 2 pi r, that is the difference. Theta value we know 60 degree, so 360 divided into, and 2 into 22 by 7 is the pi value. R we have 10.5. Now we have to cancel, which is possible that you can do. That's it. Okay, now see, 1 time, this is 6 time you will get accurately, and here 1 7s are 1 7s are, remaining 3 is there, but point, so point 35 in the sense 5 7s are 35. That's it. Now we have to multiple the remaining things, then you will get it. At the same time, this is also possible to cancel. 1 2s are 3 2s are, again 1 3s are, this is 0.5 times. Okay, now we will go for the remaining things. 22 into 0.5, This together you can multiple, then you will get the required. So what is that? 22 into half, 11. That's it. So 11 centimeter. So 11 centimeter is our required. Where? Option D. That's it. Okay. The area of circle is 154. Area of circle formula we know very well, pi r square, which is equal to 154 is given. Okay, centimeter square. Then its circumference. Circumference na we know is 2 pi r. So we need to find what is this. For this is required radius. So from this I am going to find the radius. So pi value 22 by 7. R square we don't know, that is need to find 154. Now we will go for cancelling this. So 2 11s are 1 11s are remaining 4 na 14 11s are it is cancelled. Okay. Now we will go for this 1 2s are 7 2s are. That's it. Here we have r square which is equal to 7. The denominator 7 goes to opposite multiple. So r square equal to 7 into 7 na. So r value is a 7. That's it. Now we will substitute the r value here, then you will get the circumference. So 2 pi, pi value we know 22 divided 7. R value now only we found 7. So the 7 is cancelled. 2 into 22, 44 centimeter. Where we have this option A. That's it. Next, the area of circle that can be inscribed in a square. So they said circle is inscribed in a square. So that first you can draw one square. So inside we have to draw one circle. That is they said inscribed in. Side they said 10 centimeters. So 10, 10, all the side 10. If you join this as a diameter, then diameter also 10. So they asked the area of circle. So diameter 10 in the sense radius 5. Then it's very easy to go for finding the area of circle. So area of a circle which is equal to we know as pi r square. So pi value no need to substitute because all the answer we have in pi. So keep it with you pi. R value now only found 5 square. 5 square not 25. So 25 pi centimeter square. Where we have option D. That's it. So this is our required answer. 14th one. The perimeter of square circumscribing a circle of radius A units. So instead of inscribe, they will use like a circumscribe. So this is also same. Circumscribe in the sense what na? Here they said square. Okay. Square around we have a circle. That is the concept. So we have a circle. Where we have a circle na around the square. Okay, around the square only we have that. So radius they have said clearly A units. So here A and here also A. That's it. If you are taking x is the length of the square, so you will get all the four sides. So here 90 degree we knows very well. So A plus A we knows that full length is 2A. So they asked perimeter of the square, right? Means x is required. So that I'm going to use the Pythagoras theorem now. A plus A 2A. So 2A square. Why I'm squaring this? I'm using Pythagoras square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So x square plus x square. That's it. So here we are getting 2x square. After square we are getting 4a square. That's it. Now cancel this 1 time. This is 2 time. Okay. Square comes to opposite. Root 2a square which is equal to x. Now we got x. But the root is common for both 2 and a square. For a square we have a root value a. Root 2 just write as well as, which is equal to x. So this is x. But they asked to find perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square which is equal to the formulas 4a. Means 4 into a value we have. The side. A in the sense x. 4x. So x value we know a into root 2. So if you multiply this together 4 root 2a units. That's it. So this is our required answer. Where we have 4 root 2a, option B. That's it. So this is our required one. 15th, the area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r unit. Okay. So first you can draw one semicircle. This is. So in the semicircle, they said largest triangle we have to. Largest triangle, this side one you can take. From this, if you draw like this, you will get largest triangles. Now see, this is largest triangle. So the triangle base, this is. Okay, right. From this one, if you join this together, this is height of the triangle. This is height of the triangle. Now they asked to find area of the largest triangle, base into height. Why I did like this now? They said radius of the semicircle is r unit. So height also r, base in the r means 2r. Okay. So base equal to 2r, h equal to r. Then area of triangle we know 1 by 2 base into height. Okay. This is the area of a triangle, which is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 base 2r, height r. Then what you are getting? This 2 will be cancelled. R into r square. So this is our required answer. That's it. So where we have this r square? The first one, A, option A. So from the diagram only, we are understanding all the concepts. The diagram is very, very important. The perimeter of a circular and a square. So we have two things. One circular, circle. Next is square, like that. Okay. Field are equal. So perimeter of circle and square is equal. So both perimeter will be equal. Okay. Perimeter of this, both are equal. They said the area of the square field is, they given 484 meter square. Then the diameter of the circular field, 2r. For this 2r is equal to what? They asking. Okay, they given one clue actually. Both perimeter they said equal. So that is I'm going to take as main clue. So perimeter in the sense for circle 2 pi r. Okay, perimeter of this we know is 4 into side I'm taking as a. That's it. Simplify this, you will get the answer, right? Now here a value we can able to find by using this, because square formula, side square, which is equal to 484. The square goes to opposite. A is equal to root 484. If you take root value for this, you will get 22. This is A value. Now I'm going to use this A value here. That's it. Now 2 into, they asked to find 2r. So this r and 2, this together I'm taking here. And pi value we know is 22 divided 7, which is equal to 4 into the A value is 22. That's it. Now we need to cancel what are the things we don't want. So 22 one time, 22 one time. That's it. Right. Now we required this 2r. Please don't cancel this 2 and 4, because we need to find the 2r only. So 2r, which is equal to this 7, I'm sending opposite side. The 7 goes to opposite, it will multiple with this 4. 7 4s are 28 meter. So where we have this option C. That's it. So this is our required one. So you have to read the question carefully, understand the question carefully, then we will apply this. Then you will get accurately. 17th one. The diameter of a wheel is 1.26 meter. So diameter, wheel in the sense, I told you already, this is circle like that. So wheel in the sense, circle only meaning. So circle formula only we need to use. Okay. So from this we can able to find the radius. Let will go. The distance covered in 500 revolution is what? 500 revolution in the sense, I told you, wheel we have in the shape of like that. So diameter they have given 1.26 meter. Okay. So one revolution means the circumference, if we find into 500 you can give, that's it, the answer is over. Circumference formula we know very well, 2 pi r. Okay. So 2 into r we know is 1.26. This pi value only we have to use 22 by 7. That's it. Okay. Now we'll cancel this. 1 7s are here, point is there. So 0 point. In 12 we have 7 one time. Okay. And remaining if we get it, what we are getting 3 na 18. Right. 0.18. Multiple this 0.18 into 22. That's it. So 22 into 18. What we are getting, sorry, do like this 22. So 16 1 2 3 again same 6 9 3. That's all. So this is our required one, but after 2 digit you have to give point. So 3.96. So we are getting 3.96. So this is what one time, but they asked 500 revolution, means the same answer we have to multiply by the 500. Then what we are getting, 3.96 into 500. Just multiple by 5, then we will go for the answer. So 5 6 are 30, remaining 3, 45, 48, remaining 4, 15 plus 4 na 19, 1 0, 2 0. Then after 2 digit, if you give point, you will get the required. So 1980. So 1980, where we have 1980 here, option C. That is our required answer. Okay, I hope you'll understand this. This is very, very important method. Even in many competitive exam, they asked in same manner only. Two coins of diameter 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, so in the diagram I have mentioned this. So this is small 2 centimeter. The bigger one we have a 4 centimeter. Like that it is concept. Okay, respectively are kept one over the other as shown in the figure, like that. Okay, the bigger coin over the smaller coin they have kept, right? The area of the shaded ring shaped region in square centimeter, right? In square centimeter they have asked shaded region. Listen carefully, the greater circle, listen carefully, the greater circle minus a small circle, if you do, definitely you will get the shaded region. So this is very easy to go. Before that, the R1 are the small one, but they have mentioned diameter. So 2 times of R1 is equal to 2, like that. 2 times of R2 is equal to 4. So this 4, 2 I have taken. So R1 equal to 1 and R2 is equal to 2. After cancel you will get like that. Now we will go for the shaded region, right? So I told you the greater area minus a smaller area, then you will get the shaded region. Okay, right. Now we'll go for this. Okay, right. So I'm taking pi commonly outside because pi is not applied here. So R2 value we know is 2 square minus R1 square na 1 square. So this is very easy to go. Pi into 2 squared value 4 minus 1. So we are getting simply pi 4 minus 1 3 means 3 pi centimeter square. So where we have this option C. So that is our required answer. Okay. Question number 19. If the perimeter of semicircular protected is 72, where pi is equal to 1 by 7, then diameter of the protector is what? Right. So semicircular part na you will get like that. This is suppose semicircle. They say perimeter of the semicircle, in the sense this is what for the diameter, and this length we know what is that circumference. Half of the circumference. Circumference formula we know 2 pi r. Half of the circumference na by 2. This is the concept. Okay. So perimeter of the semicircular region. Perimeter of a semicircular region. The things which is equal to sum of this 2 part. So 2r plus this 2 will be cancelled, means just pi r. Likewise. Okay, this is equal to, they have given what actually 72 centimeter. So use 72, which is equal to, and here 2 into r value we have to find. Okay, 2r plus pi r. So what is the value they have given for pi? 22 by 7. That is you can use it. Before that r you can take commonly outside. So 2 plus, here we have only the pi value 22 by 7. That's it. Now take cross multiple. Okay, right. So r, which is equal to, if you take cross multiple, 14 plus 22, we are getting 36 divided 7. So here we have 72. So 72 36 will be cancelled automatically by 1 time. This is a 2 time. Okay, right. That's it. The r, which is equal to, they send the 7 opposite, then 2 7s are 14, which is equal to r. But they have asked a diameter, so multiple 2 on both sides, then 28, which is equal to 2 times of radius. That's it. So this is our required answer for what is that, 19th one. 28 where we have option C. That's it. So this is our required answer. See the question number 20. In a circle of diameter is 42. So diameter in the sense we know 2r is equal to 42 centimeter. If an arc subtend an angle they have given means theta is equal to 60 degree. At the center where pi equal to 22 by 7 you can use it. Then the length of arc. Length of arc we know very well. Before that r value I am finding 21. Okay. So length of arc already I have given. Length of arc which is equal to theta divided 360 into 2 pi r. So this is very important formula. Please you can remember. So theta divided 360 degree into 2 pi r. R value they have given 21. Okay, 21. That's it. Now we will cancel this together. At the same time pi value I forget to substitute. So pi value we know 22 divide 7. At the same time we will cancel this together. So 1 7s are 3 7s are, and this is 1 time 6 time 1 3s are 2 3s are, this 2 2 will be cancelled. All the things are cancelled, remaining we have only this 22. So 22 is our required answer. Where we have this is option C. That's it. If you understand the question, this is very easy to go. Now we'll go for next one. Question number 21. If the diameter of semicircular protractor is 14, so diameter is given, that is 14, means 2r which is equal to 14 centimeter, right? Then its perimeter is what? So semicircular part na you will get like that. So this is 2r. For this you will get circumference, half of the circumference 2 pi r by 2. I told you this 2 will be cancelled. So they asked to find perimeter of this figure. So perimeter of this figure you have to add this together. So 2r plus pi r. That's it. Okay, 2r in the sense 14 centimeter plus pi value we know 22 by 7 into the radius. Radius what you will get 7. So 7 you can use. So this 7 will be cancelled. 22 plus 14 which is equal to 36. So 36 where we have option C. That is our required answer. That's it. Next question. A thin wire is in the shape of a circle of radius is 77. So they said thin wire is in the shape of circle. So we have like that. Okay. It is bent into a square. The same thing they making as a square shape. Means what is that? What you will get? What is the perimeter of the circle? Same thing you will get for square. Okay, nothing will happen, right? So radius of the circle we have 77, and they asked the side of the square. What is the value of x? That is they asking, right? We'll go for that. So perimeter of the square or circle, whatever, just write, which is equal to perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of circle na, that is circumference. Both are equal, they said. So perimeter of square 4 into x, which is equal to perimeter of circle 2 pi r. Okay. Now just simplify this. 4 into x value we need to find. 2 into pi value 22 by 7. R value we know 77. That's it. Now if we cancel this, you will get the required one. So 1 7s are 11 time. So here 1 2s are 2 time. Again 1 2s are 11 2s are. So 11 into 11, that is our side, required side. 11 11s are 121. So this is our required side. So where we have option A, that is our required answer for this. Okay. Question number 23. Perimeter of quadrant of circle of radius is r. They said radius is r. They are asking quadrant. Quadrant in the sense quarter part of the circle. They said radius r. Okay, so that is we have to find it. So then this part what you will say. So we have a length of this r, here length of this r. What about length of this r? So I told you circumference formula 2 pi r, but they said quadrant. Quadrant is in the by 4. Okay, quarter part we are taking. That's it. Now here this is 1 time, 2 time. This all the things you can add, then you will get it. Okay, so we have r plus what is that? Pi r by 2. Pi r by 2. If you add this together, we are getting 2 times of r plus pi r by 2. Take cross multiple. What is that? 4 times of r plus pi r whole divided by 2. So commonly I am taking from this r values. R by 2. Remaining I have here 4 plus pi. So where we have this one? Yeah, here. Option C. That is our required answer. if the perimeter of sector of circle radius is 5.2 and perimeter also they have given, so perimeter is given, radius is given, then the area of sector they has to find. Okay, so sector just draw like that. Radius we have 5.2, perimeter in the sense sum of this three part 1 2 this length, this all the things only we'll say as a perimeter. So this is length of the arc we know, so length of the arc L. Okay, right. Now the perimeter which is equal to, they have given 16.4. Perimeter in the sense I told you for this sector we need to add this all the three part. Okay, so 5.2 plus this 5.2, this length of the part I have taken as L which is equal to 16.4. Okay, add this together, send to opposite. Now 16.4 minus this is 10.4. Okay, minus 10.4, because after added you will get here plus value goes to opposite minus. So L is equal to, I am getting what, 6. So 6 I am getting length. But they asked to find the area of the sector. So area of the sector when length is given means based on the length 1 by 2 L into R. That is the formula. When the perimeter is given, we should use this formula. So 1 by 2 L value we know is 6 into radius we have a 5.2. That's it. If we cancel this, you will get the required. 1 time, this is 3 times. Now multiple this together. That's it. We will get the required one. So 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So 15.6. Where we have this 50. Option number C. So that is our required answer. This is area, so they have given centimeter square. Okay. Now we'll go for last question. Means 25th question. See that the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. So clock in the sense that we know that is circle shape. So minute hand suppose like that. So this is 14. Means radius. Radius is 14. So radius is 14 centimeter. They have given area swept by the minute hand in 30 minutes. 30 minutes now from here to here. Okay, it is coming here. The minute hand comes here now. Then what is the area covered? What is the area covered by 30 minutes they have said. Before that we have to find the angle. Angle how you will find? So full of this circle we know 360 degree divided. Totally how many minutes we have? 60 minutes. So I am dividing by 60. Right. If you divide this, you will get for 1 degree is equal to what is the angle. I mean for 1 minute equal to what is the angle, you will get it. But they have asked it 30 minutes. So multiple 30, then you will get the required angle. Okay. So this is 1 time, 6 time. So 6 3s are 18 means 180 degree. So theta is equal to 180 degree. By looking the diagram itself, it is visible. See, it is covered half of the circle. Half of the circle angle we know is 180 degree. By using that only we are going. Okay. So area which is equal to, means the area of that what they asked, minute and area of the swipe, means this is sector only. So theta divided 360 degree into pi r square. So this is our formula. If they given a sector formula, you have to use this. Okay. So 180 degree divide 360. Pi value is 22 divide 7 and r value 14, means 14 into 14 like that. Okay. Now just cancel. This is 1 time and this is 2 time, and here 1 time, this is 2 time. This 2 will be cancelled. So what is the final answer? 22 into 14. 22 into 14. So what is that? 22 into 14. So 8, 2 in the same, again 8 2 0 8 1 3 308. So 308 we are getting. So this is our required answer. 308. 308 I am getting. Where is that 3? A, option A. So that is our required answer. I hope you will understand all the 25 questions. I have explained slowly. I hope you will understand. If you like this video, please share with your friends. This is very, very useful in the competitive. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.